Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be answering the obvious question of what the heck is that? And the that in this case is a little adapter that plugs onto the top of a 9-volt battery to make it a flashlight. And when I first saw this, I was like, huh? So, of course, I had to check it out because I was curious. And I got two of them. One is the BlockLite. BlockLite? I wonder if there's an L missing. That's a good question. So, BlockLite and MicroBrite. So anyway, the deal with these things is they plug on to the top of a 9-volt battery. And I'm reasonably sure these are made in China. In both cases. Maybe. Okay, there's no way this one is made in the US. Although it doesn't say otherwise. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Maybe it is made in the US. The battery's made in China, but maybe the block thing isn't. Okay, so the way this works is it's attached to a double A. Sorry, not a double A. It's attached to a 9-volt battery, and it turns it into a flashlight, which is kind of nifty. Let me get rid of that plastic. Alright, so as you can see, and it just plugs into the top like normal, and turn it on. I'm going to try and shine it so it doesn't like shine directly into the camera. But it puts out a moderate amount of light. And apparently we have two modes with this one. One thing I saw about this one that I thought was kind of interesting is it's magnetic. So if you want to stick it to something, you have the option of sticking it to something and then turning it on, like so. I don't think the other ones are magnetic. Okay. Oops. It does answer the question I had. Nothing like quality workmanship. Okay. BlockLite and BlockLite. So maybe they weren't quite as serious about printing the boxes. Anyway, so this is the BlockLite. And let's check out the other ones. And these are relatively inexpensive. I mean, like, they're like, I don't know, it's like $5 or $10 or something. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check them out. You can find them on Amazon and probably anywhere else online. Do we have anything we care about? It's a bonus set of 2, which is super, super exciting. And it's made in China. So let's see. Snaps under a standard 9-volt battery, which we already knew. Brilliant white light. Whenever you need it, lasts for forever and ever. Alright, so okay, so it snaps on. And this one, instead of a push button like this other one, it has a switch. Okay, so one switch, you get the 2 buttons, or the 2 LEDs, and one you get the 6. Okay, so that's not bad. It's kind of an interesting little thing. I don't know. I mean, it's neat. It's an interesting idea. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm torn. It's kind of weird. And I don't necessarily dislike it. I just don't know whether or not I'd rather not just have like a little flashlight. I guess it does turn, extra batteries. Like if you have some 9-volt batteries laying around that aren't doing anything, I mean, it does turn those into lights. And I mean, they seem to put out a decent amount of light. I'm not sure how many lumens this is, but it's, I don't know. My guess would be maybe, I don't know, 70 to 130 maybe? That's kind of an awful large range. Call it 90. 90 feels about right. Anyway, I'm not sure if it's 90 or not, but they seem to put out a moderate amount of light. So, I don't know. Are these just some kind of weird thing? Or you think it might actually be useful? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's any other kind of like odd flashlight, knife, everyday carry things you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video about something which you might also buy at 4 in the morning on Amazon, like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.